Hi, my name is Pieter-Jan De Peuter. I'm the founder of Mr. Smith, which is a speakeasy cocktail bar here in Maastricht. Mr. Smith was a world traveler who decided to settle in a cozy cellar in Maastricht in 2017 to share his tales of his travels through cocktails here in the crossroads of Europe and in one of the oldest settlements to have been continuously inhabited since the Roman Empire. We chose to work with Lyres not only because of the full range of alcohol-free spirits that they provide, which enables you to offer a full range of alcohol-free cocktails, but it's exciting to work with a brand where so much R&D has been invested into creating outstanding versions that come very close to their counterparts and in some cases outperform them entirely. Our cocktail, the Globe, is a creation that uses both Lyre's Coffee Original as well as Lyre's American Malt. The Globe was inspired by one of our signature drinks that pleases many guests and combines a very interesting array of flavors. To make the Globe, we combine Lyre's Coffee Original, Lyre's American Malt, a little bit of almond syrup and a touch of fresh lemon juice. Once thoroughly shaken and fine strained into a tumbler over ice, we garnish it with lemon, and finally we smoke it with cherry wood. Lyre's American Malt offers a substantial basis for this creation, while Lyre's Coffee Original adds the necessary depth and sweetness to create a well-balanced and complex alcohol-free cocktail. We proudly serve non-alcoholic cocktails because we believe that it's part of the future, and we genuinely enjoy the social aspect that sharing drinks offers. But we also recognize that alcohol doesn't always need to play a central role. I sincerely hope I've been able to tickle your curiosity to come and find out for yourself. I look forward to meeting you here at Mr. Smith, our speakeasy bar located in Maastricht. Thank you.